Welcome to Fashion Exposed, guys. This is your host Vijay Harshidingon, and today we are going to talk about something that I have never expected and I never thought. I've always believed, and I still believe that Northeast is the part where the people are most hospitable, most humble, most beautiful, and that's why I had made a video last time to tell the people of the mainland that how beautiful people are and how the nature they have, what beautiful things they have to give to whole nation. But what I am recently I just seen, and I'm really shattered, and Delhi people are saying me, you are stupid. They're saying me stupid. They're saying me silly. The reason why? Because I support Northeast. The reason why? I just came across this video. Watch this video, and then you will get to know that some people in the Northeast, you see who are they. Is it Nagaland or which state it is? Just watch the video and let me also know in the comment section. Some people are discriminating some laborers from Bihar or UP, very poor people who come from mainland to Nagaland and work there in the making the buildings or the different kind of industries. These people have been made fun and humiliated because of coronavirus, and some people are trying to test the temperature through the music player of the car, and people are so innocent and people are making their fun. Just watch this video.
Kun boste
Yung council ko hi aks ane khai galam kalam ko yoko tesan ni
bol saba ki kam gure ha razer kam bola jasa zor par gomlo kotha do ki kam
ame garun ke phikanya
ha razer kam gure ko jasa eta
actually ane khaya kale okay le
nam kaise ha
yede
yete sabi tik yete sabi
unkelo
nam ki body yete sabi
बीमार थका खन तो बियान पाबे
nam ki kam gure ha Ja. Namki Nozorul ki bosti ha
बस्ती
Jharpara Mostan আপনি তো অলপ কারবার আছে এটা
কি বলিস
আপনি তো অলপ কারবার আছে এটা অলপ চেক করুন
san no kale ike volume kilo thabelo alwe.
So guys, you've seen the video that how these people are behaving with such innocent people, and these people do not even know that what is exactly that instrument is. What is this? Can you imagine that how innocent they are, and the people are playing with them and bullying them? In fact, is it the nature of the Northeast? Is it the behavior of the Nagas or the people of the Northeast? I must tell you, I just came across this thing through social media, through one of my friend and a very big youth leader from Nagaland, and you can just see this section. So I will just gonna show you that I just seen this on social media and just thought to share this because I was very shattered. I always believe in the beauty of Northeast, in the humbleness. That's why I love the people. But what is this happening, my friends? Please, I request authorities as well, kindly investigate on this issue and bring the culprit to the justice, because this thing should not be tolerated. The way people are getting arrested in Delhi or the Bangalore or any part of mainland as well, if any discrimination happened with Northeast, the same thing should be done. in Northeast if any discrimination happen. So I request, let's bring peace, let's bring humanity, and let's be together and let's fight Corona together in one way. There is not other way. There is only one path to stay united, to stay together and fight this virus Corona. Let's do it together, my friends. And please, you also comment about this person who is bullying all, and what word you have for such person who is making the whole Northeast feel ashamed. So guys, that's all for now, and I believe you will share this video so that awareness should come, people should know and stop this kind of bullying. Because if people will see this video in mainland, can you expect what kind of behavior the mainland people will do to your people? It's gonna be very worse. Seriously, I want these things should stop so that everybody could live peacefully, study peacefully and work peacefully. So I request each and every one of you, so please share this video, subscribe my channel right away, right now, so that I can bring more of the videos like this for the awareness. And please, my friends, let's be human, let's be kind, and let's have compassion. Let's believe in God who has given you the birth, and God always said you all are one.